Okay, ma'am. Stop na, ma'am. May kanan na. Sunda, one kanan na senda. Question.
Which factor strongly influences growth and tree crop farming? So A, soil type only, B, climate, C, fertilizer type, D, labor availability. Okay, so which factor strongly influences growth and tree crop farming? A, soil type only, B, climate, C,
Dili pa maturon pag tama na answer nyo. Wala pa declared pa si ma'am kung ano ang tama na answer. Na-answer nyo. What is your answer nyo? Pag nagsabi siya masing kuri ka mo, saka pa nagawama. Ten 10:49. So 3 minutes pa man lang. Patapos na yan na event, may i-stop na nato ni cut nato.
So, magbibilang ako ha. 1, 2, 3. Go!
Sana sir.
Kanina ka na.
Hindi, magulat ka muna, i-declared na tama na sir nyo before ka maglukso.
Kasi wala pa siya sa paunahan.
Warang paunahan.
Mahaba sila. Okay. So, aram niya na kung ano answer. So, the answer is letter E.
O, dili mag-move, kaya pares tay. Ma-move lang kung nagkamali ang usad.
Okay. So, next.
Patugtog. Kadali. Makuha na kitang pampremyo kay. Ayaw na, pinakamayo magkanta, may 50. May pinakamayo magsayaw. May 50, pinakamayo. Pinakamayo kan magsayaw, oh.
Okay, so number 2. What type of rainfall is most suitable for fruit trees? Wait lang ha. Wait lang. So A, light, long rain. B, heavy, short rain. Letter C, no rainfall at all. D, sporadic showers. Okay. Okay na. Number 1, what type of rainfall is most suitable for fruit crops? So 1, A, light, long range. B, heavy, short range. Letter C, no rainfall at all. D, sporadic showers. Hindi ko alam. Answer namin na? Letter A. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the answer is letter A.
Thank you. Sayaw, sayaw. Kapiki na ma. Siyo daw.
Go sana!
Okay. Na, lumalaban si Mariano. Ayos, ayos kayo kan may magana ka, no? Okay.
What is the effect of heavy rains on sloppy land? So A, good water absorption. B, soil erosion. C, better fruit quality. D, increase the sunlight. So number 3, what is the effect of heavy rains on slapping land. A. Good water absorption. B. Soil erosion. C. Better fruit quality. And D. Increase sunlight.
Okay, so your answer.
Your answer. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Tay. Okay, so it's already time. So you will have to continue that by next meeting. Okay, kay time na po, time na. Ang 50 po natin winners no other than Miss Susana. Okay.
Okay, so